I got you. Dasa, move your hands. I got Dasa. We got Gabby.
What?
We got Gabby.
You can live there at least.
We got Raina. We got Michael. We got Epi.
And you got you. We got Carlos.
We got me. So we got Michael here. We're doing some weights. We got Michael going to 10. Look, friend, freaking. Watch your speed. Watch your speed.
I love the picture. It's so beautiful.
Oh, dang. I knew like recently.
Oh, jeez, Michael. Oh, he's a fast boy. Oh, who's that? Guys, who's that? Oh, Michael. Oh, Michael. Ooh, that's fast. Look at those intense legs. That's speed. That's intense speed. Look at his straight face. Michael, look over here. Michael, you're turning red. Dude, almost there, man. Nope. Dude, you're going back. 51, 52, 53, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 minute. Jeez. You alright?
Yeah.
Alright, that's good.